guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing this game called Every2 Test Map. Let's do core. Okay, we'll just do core. Oh my gosh. Mouse! Where's my mouse? Okay. Sorry about that. Of course, I'm doing this. Oh, this one sucks. Anyway, okay. So, if you didn't see my last two videos, I honestly had some fun. Anyways, so we're gonna play some core, and then we're just gonna do some other maps. You guys comment down below your favorite map that you want me to do on a video. Actually, I like Screen Recorder way more than whatever it is, than Roblox's recorder, because Roblox's recorder is way too laggy. Like, honestly, it's so annoying. And I just died. Rest in peace to me. Okay. Anyway, let's just find another map to do, like, and so, a cat. Okay. So my cat just jumped near me for some reason. Anyways, let's just look at this. So let's see, load in. I want this thing to load in. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is loading! It says, wow! That scared me. Okay. I scream on camera. First time I scream on camera. I'm just kidding. Anyway, let's just do the Academy map again. Okay. By the way, the person who made it is actually a YouTuber. Oh, hi kitten. Her kitten just went near me. Or I should call her my cat, Fluffy. Yeah, I'll just call her my cat, Fluffy. Okay then. Okay, I'm done. Anyways, Anti-Lated Academy. However you say it. Okay, I just take to dare to talk in camera for no reason. Anyways, let's do this map again. Okay, hopefully I won't die this time. Like every other YouTuber does, like the first time they play the map. I played this map a couple other times just to suck at this game right now. Senior facility, and then, okay. Hey, Gloomy Manor. That will become the map. Stop saying special map. It will become another one of, okay, it's Wild Savannah. Sorry, guys. Wear headdress, of course, made it Wild Savannah. Okay, I should probably turn up my volume right now. Yeah, it's better. Okay, I made it. Okay, good volume for me right now. I can hear it. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear it. I like to do voice videos sometimes. Sometimes I don't like to, like, when I first started YouTube, I didn't really know how to do voice videos until I downloaded one of my friend's things that she uses. Then, whenever I talked, I noticed that my voice was in it, and I'm like, okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm laughing. Anyways, I noticed that I could use my voice in some vids, so that's when I started using voice vids. So, I love explaining my life, and it's pretty nice here in Florida, but soon I might be moving to Tennessee. It will be pretty nice. I was born in Canada, which is freezing all the time. I'm just kidding. It's not freezing. I was able to play in snow when I was born, technically, and it was pretty fun. But now I can't because I'm in Florida. like the boringest state in the world. I'm just kidding. Florida's pretty fun for summer. Summer activities in Florida are pretty fun, so. I love breaks, like, that you can do so much, because you get to do so much. I don't like to do map solo, but I can do map solo, and plus, I'm trying not to use infinite air, because I know how to do this map without infinite air. Because I've never soloed it before, which I'm just about to do, technically. Anyways, I'd say, like, many maps and everything are the best maps. And I died right when I say that. Okay, so, okay, next. My first map. I want to do my first map. I really want to do a map. Like, seriously. Wow, that was pretty hard. That's pretty hard of map. So I should probably put on infinite air. Oh my goodness. I hate this map right now. But I'm doing the dare for you guys, okay? I just wanted to do it for you guys because I very care about my friends that watch my videos and everybody that watches my vids. Wow, this map is pretty good. Music's pretty good. Okay, this map is like the best map I've ever played right now. Anyways, let's play another game. Okay, what should we play, guys? Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's just, play some treasure hunt sim. And it's pretty, I love this game so much. I always play this game, like, honestly. Okay. I like to play music while playing my game. This game. And some other games. If I have a radio in that game, I would... Okay, my mouse is lagging for no reason. Should I be like... So, hopefully I'm still recording this. Please load on already. Oh, wait. What? E35 Reapers! Dude, I'm the master of this. What? So we're just gonna have to find the... Okay, finally it loaded in. Oh gosh. That's long, kinda a long hole. Okay, I'm saying, who cares? Okay, this game is making me lag for some reason. I'm lagging very hard. Okay, why do you send a 35 free person friend request? Okay, technically this person would be like, oh, she has 35 free birds? She is rich! Okay. This person has 7 rebirths. I have 35. You're not catching up to me here easily. You're not catching up to me easily, honestly. This would be pretty easy. Just load in game. I want this game to load in already. Okay, finally. Oh my gosh. Let me just, wait. Open it. Skip. Treble 4. Let's open another one. Inventory. Oh, wait. Doesn't it save up? It doesn't. I had a legendary skin. I hate this game right now, and it didn't save my progress. I guess I could basically buy that. See what I'll get. Yee, that looks pretty. That looks pretty. I'll use that. Oh my gosh. It's an ad. Oh, it's a kitten. I really love kitties. No, seriously. But what the? Okay, I need to turn down that volume to surface. I'm gonna get over 1 mil. Hey! Big burst, girl! Okay, I have to use over 100 million coins to reverse. Okay, isn't that a lot? For some reason, my music is lagging. I think my computer is lagging for no reason. Okay, yeah, I'm lagging. Global leaderboard. Total sand. Okay, dude, I have over 200 billion sand. How do you get over 1 trillion sand? Okay, it's like everybody on this map. Soon I'll be making it on that leaderboard. Soon I will. Well, I really need private islands. But I have no Robux, sadly. I hate this game sometimes. And sometimes I love it, like I always do. No, seriously, I always love it. Okay, let's see what I can get. This will be the best game ever soon. Did I just help y'all? I'm gonna say I'm the best at the server, and I think that's so much sand. Okay, I've already 29,000. Oh my gosh. This is why I love this game with 35 rebirths and infinite backpack and elite game pass. It's so fun. It's just so easy to do this. Dude, you don't need to use that metal detector. It's filthy. Filthy old metal detector. Filthy old metal. Like, seriously. Yeah, it's filthy. Okay. Okay, let's see what I can do with this. So, I'm about to make it to, okay, 200 mil will be enough. 200,000 will be enough. 21 mil. Do you really think I was interested in that? Heck yeah. Okay, let's see. We should see. Yeah. Okay, I just got a bunch of chests. Yeah. Bam, bam. I can already make it to 100,000 very quickly. Why am I singing in the middle of a video? Okay, I'm gonna end it off here, so, subscribe, like, and comment down below your Roblox username, and I might add you, so, goodbye, people.